Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, we're tackling a small but important bathroom fix: how to install and replace a bathtub overflow plate. This simple project can save you money and keep your bathroom looking great. Stick around for some bonus tips at the end to make your job even easier. Tools and materials: a new bathtub overflow plate, a screwdriver, a flashlight, plumber's tape. Let's start by removing the old overflow plate. Locate the screws holding it in place. Usually, there's 1 or 2 screws here. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the plate away from the tub. If it feels stuck, wiggle it lightly. Be careful not to damage the drain pipe inside. Before installing the new plate, inspect the area. Look for dirt, grime, or corrosion. Use a cloth or sponge to clean the surface. This ensures a snug and secure fit for the new plate. Now it's time to install the new plate. Align it with the drain pipe inside the tub. If your plate comes with a gasket, make sure it's properly positioned. Insert the screws and tighten them, but don't overdo it. Over-tightening can crack the plate or strip the threads. Once everything's secure, give the plate a quick test. Tug it gently to ensure it's firmly in place. Then, run some water and check for any leaks around the edges. Some bonus tips to make this project a breeze. 1. Use plumber's tape. If you notice any gaps or leaks, wrap a little plumber's tape around the threads of the screws for a tighter seal. 2. Upgrade your plate. Consider universal overflow plate for a sleek, modern look. They fit most tubs and are easy to install. 3. Prevent future corrosion. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease to the screws to protect them from rust over time. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to replace your bathtub overflow plate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy DIYing!